Hi, today I'll be making a detailed comparison of two of the most talked about cold email tools in 2025, Apollo.io and instantly.ai. If you're in sales, marketing, recruiting, or just looking to grow your network, you already know that sending emails manually is a huge time sink. In this video, I'll be covering an extended overview of what cold email is, exactly how cold email tools work, the main features of these two platforms, Apollo and Instantly, the pricing, the pros and cons, and of course, a balanced conclusion about which is best in 2025. Let's get started. Apollo is a full sales engagement platform. It's not just about cold emails. It's about finding leads, qualifying them, engaging across multiple channels, and tracking your entire sales cycle. Think of it like an all-in-one control center for your outreach. Instantly.ai, on the other hand, is a specialist. It focuses specifically on cold email outreach at scale with strong deliverability features, automated warm-up, and AI-driven personalization. It's built for people who want to send a lot of emails without getting burned by spam filters. Now let us talk about the main features of both platforms. We start with Apollo. Apollo.io is like the Swiss Army knife for salespeople. For what it offers, here it is. Massive lead database. Over 200 million contacts and 35 million company profiles, all with advanced filters so you can drill down to your exact ideal customer profile. Multi-channel outreach, email, LinkedIn, phone calls, and even task-based reminders so you can follow up consistently. AI-powered personalization. It uses buying signals, prospect data, and AI to craft tailored outreach messages. CRM integration. It works with Salesforce, HubSpot, and many others so your sales data stays in sync. Task and pipeline management. Built-in tools to keep your sales process moving without juggling multiple apps. Data enrichment. If you have a contact list already, Apollo can fill in missing details like job titles, emails, and phone numbers. Now, Instantly.ai keeps things more focused, but is extremely good at what it does. Unlimited email warm-up. From day one, you can connect as many email accounts as you like and warm them up automatically. This is a big deal for staying out of spam. Deliverability tools. Automatic spam word checking, domain authentication, and email validation to make sure you're sending to real addresses. Lead Finder. It's a growing database of verified leads with advanced targeting filters, and you have access to this. Campaign Builder with AI optimization. You can run A/B tests, use personalization variables, and let AI suggest improvements. Unified Inbox. It is called Unibox, and it puts all replies from all accounts in one place and uses AI to sort them into actionable categories. Analytics. Tracks not just open rates and click-throughs, but also conversions and revenue so that you can tie your outreach directly to results. So in short, Apollo gives you an end-to-end sales solution while Instantly focuses on scaling and perfecting the cold email process. Now let us talk about the pricing of both platforms. We start with Apollo. There is a free plan at $0, 1,200 credits per user per year. And there are paid plans like the basic plan, which is $49 per user per month when billed annually. The professional plan, which is the most popular, billed at $79 per user per month when billed annually. And as well the organizational plan at $119 per user per month when billed annually. They all come with maximum credits to be used per user per year. And for Instantly.ai, there's simple pricing for everyone. There is the pricing for the outreach plan, the super search plan, and the CRM plan. You can choose to pay monthly or yearly. For example, the CRM costs $37.9 at least with the growth CRM plan if you want to pay yearly, but if you want to pay monthly, it costs $47. The outreach with the cheapest plan, the growth plan at $30 per month when paid yearly. Now, what are the pros and cons of using these platforms? We start with the pros. For Apollo, All in one platform, you have the leads, the outreach, the CRM integration, and analytics all in one place. Huge contact database with powerful search filters, and AI-powered personalization for better engagement. And the pros of using instantly.ai? Unlimited accounts and warm-up right from the start, which is great for scaling. Built-in deliverability tools to keep you out of spam. And simple, clean interface that's easy to set up and use. How about the cons of using Apollo? Pricing can spiral if you burn through credits quickly. And some users find the interface overwhelming due to the number of features. And the cons of instantly.ai? Focused only on email, no calls, no LinkedIn, and no SMS outreach. Lead database is smaller compared to Apollo. So, which of these platforms take the crown in 2025? Well, if you want a complete sales machine that handles everything from prospecting to outreach to tracking deals, Apollo.io is the clear choice. It's especially great for larger teams that need multiple channels and deep integration with CRMs. But if your number one priority is sending cold emails at scale without worrying about deliverability, warm-up, or account limits, then instantly.ai is hard to beat. It's lean, focused, and built for speed. Both are excellent tools, but the right choice depends on whether you need a Swiss Army knife or a surgical scalpel in quotes. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore smartreach.io, Lemlist, and Clenty. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.